Wish you all a hearty congratulations on our Independence Day. Today I'll tell something on connecting India geographically, economically and culturally. I can say two aspects in it. Number one aspect is how do we connect India in itself, within, and the second aspect is how do we connect India with other countries globally. When I talk about the first aspects, I really feel that India is already a connected nation. NASA has reported that the sound of rotation of Earth is Om. And we have been worshipping Om, we have been worshipping landscapes, river, lakes since ages. And which say that our culture is already out of the geography of our country. Moving ahead, how our culture is connected to our economy. When I talk about this, how can I not talk about the heritage tourism that we have? About Char Dham, about Golden Temple, about our Haji Ali Dargah, about the beautiful churches of Goa. This heritage tourism generates a significant amount of revenue for our economy, and this revenue helps us to build a better and stronger economy. Now it will be possible if we reach to the every corner of the country, to each and every individual of our country. Then only we can take care of our geography, our nation. When this would happen, our India will rise further. Now talking on geography, the rainfall of Mumbai are the clouds coming from Gujarat. Drinking water of West Bengal and some other states are the water coming down from Himalayas. And we have the second largest network of road in the whole world. I would like to say that how India is connected with other countries globally. India has always been rich in cultural love, rich in heritage, rich in among all of you, the beautiful people of our country. And this is the reason why superpower countries wants to come to us, invest to India. But that doesn't only, pride and respect to my countries, but it also generates a very strong economical relationship with that countries. Those are more developed than us. And this is how economical bond happens between two countries. And this is how we start understanding geography. And when geography and economy of two countries got mixed, then a readaptation of culture happens. They adapt our culture, we adapt their culture. By doing this, India can create a stronger connection that already exist within and inter-India. Now, how can we do this? We can do this by taking active participation and understanding what are our responsibilities and duties towards our countries, towards our nation and towards our people. The day when we'll start working hard, face of the nation will change. And let us do this. Let us hold our hands, work even harder than before, and let us do for what India was born to do, to build love, to build respect, and to generate revenue. Without stretching my speech longer further, I like to end with a thought. We should not ask what countries is doing for us, but as an Indian, what we are doing for our country. We need to think on it and we need to act on it. Jai Hind.